Hi, today we have an interesting template to talk about. Today we're talking about free client consultation form. This is a simple form which has been created in Notion, which helps you track of all the free client consultations that you're going to give in your business. So we have some basic fields like the first name, last name, the phone number, the email, the company, the interest of the person, the appointment date and time, and any additional information that you would like to have. These are the information that the prospective person would fill up to being registered for your consultation requirements. And once all the details are filled up, you can go to the responses view and you can see all the responses that has been captured over here. So let us test this out. So in order to test this out, what you need to do is click on the share form and click on copy form link. Make sure this is kept to anonymous responses and anyone on the web with link, you have given access to anyone on the web with link to be able to fill this form. So click on this copy form link and make sure you provide this link to the prospective person who is going to fill up the form. Once the prospective person fills out this form, we can properly test it out whether it is working or not. So let us randomly fill in some stuff over here. I'm going to quickly fill in some random details as you can see on the screen, and then we will test out whether these details are getting captured on the responses side or not. Okay, so I'm just simply filling out some of the details over here. And okay, so I have filled in all the fields that was provided in this form. I'm going to click on submit. As I do that, you can see the response has been submitted right now, and if I go back to the responses view, you will be able to see that the new response has been captured over here, which is this one. And the timing has been May 20, which I just filled in right now. Okay, so this is how quickly it captures the responses from the prospective people who are going to fill up this form. Okay, so all you need to do is click on share form, click on copy form link, and provide this link to the particular person who is going to fill out the form. Obviously, all the fields are editable, and this can entirely be customized from your end. So this is all up to you how you want to customize it. If you want to add more fields, you can do that, or you can edit the existing fields as and when they have been added. Okay. Besides this, I also want to talk about an interesting automation which I have created. The name of the automation is PDF Output. This is a tool which can help you generate PDF documents in bulk. It utilizes a Notion page as the source of the template file, and it also requires the help of a Notion database which can act as a source of database that can generate bulk PDF files. I've added a video of how you can exactly do the same with invoices, all with the help of a Notion page and a Notion database. Please watch this video if you want to understand the entire flow of how this works. And this is for invoices. You can use it for any document or any business purpose for your use case simply by modifying the Notion page and creating a corresponding Notion database for the use case. So do check out PDF output. If you want to contact me or reach out to me, please reach out to me at notion for my use at gmail.com. That is where I will be able to help you or assist you with any of the queries. And I would be glad to receive any of the emails from your end. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.